Alright, y'all. My baby under construction. Look at how dirty this motherfucker is, y'all. Dirty as shit. I'm gonna clean all that up good though. But anyway. Yeah, it's junky in here, man. My baby been down for a minute. But yeah, these about to be for sale. 14s on 30s. But look, damn. Alright, so I done installed my clutch kit. I meant to record, but I wouldn't even think about recording. But anyway, install my clutch kit, man. Motor, 28 and higher, tires or whatever. Waiting on my shit been sent like this, man. I'm waiting on my damn my Lucky 7 floorboards to get here, and I got 2-inch lift kit coming. I'm gonna install today. Also, I got something else I'll show a little bit later. Anyway, let's get to it. Alright, y'all, my shit here. Alright, let's get it. So we're gonna put this side on first. Make sure that's in there straight like that. Line the holes up. That's all. Alright, so I got my brakes put on. I got my rear lift put on. So, got 3 wheels on. I got my rear lift kit on. I got my rear brakes on. I'm gonna put the brakes on that side, kit on that side too. Now I gotta take this wheel off, put the kit on, and change my brakes. So, about to get to it. Oh yeah. Motherfucker sent me the wrong damn lug nuts, man. So I had to use my old one. My old one's black, so I'm glad I had to use my old one. Cause I ain't really want me crying for it. I want it black. So let's see what that first. Y'all, these fucking brakes is metal to metal. Metal is fucking metal. Look at that. That's crazy. Most people might use this. I use this. What I do is take some of my stick in here. Like that. Easy peasy. Yeah, put my brakes on. Hold on. Alright, now, start brakes. brake pad. Slide it on. Sign them up. I got the back turned 1 notch, and the front is a 2 notch.
Got to a point where we were both.
Alright, y'all. I got to lift up some more to put this motherfucker on. I'll be back. Alright, y'all. So I'm back. I got the kit. I got the 2-inch Lucky 7 kit. I got that installed front, back. Got the wheels on. And I ran into a problem with my clutches. My clutch kit. I ain't even gonna tell y'all what happened, man. I feel stupid as hell. But it ain't been, what, 3 days? And it been 3 days I've been fucking with the clutch. I ain't even gonna tell y'all what happened, cause I feel stupid as hell about it. So we're gonna move past that. Anyway, I'm about to go ahead and install the Lucky 7 floorboards, as you see. But I do that now. Alright, 4 screws. This is right here. Let's put them in. The washer's on the back. Next one in. Alright, y'all, so I'll be back tomorrow for the cleaning and to put the floorboards on. Catch y'all then. Make sure y'all like and subscribe, man.